Guys, I'm so sorry. reboot my or restart my internet because I just lost connection for no reason. So I just have to restart everything again. Well, where are we? USD chef. Yeah, I was looking at this area. I said, but I just have to let it play out. I need to let it come up. Then I can be able to see if I will get any opportunity to shut the trade because on daily time, yeah, on the dailies, yeah, it's a lower, it's low. So just let it push up a little bit, and I can be able to shut the trade. If K doesn't take, if I don't take it from this place, it could probably be somewhere above here. That's what I'll be looking at. Yeah. Nothing much. I just the one that pains me mostly is the USD card that I miss. It really pains me. It really pains me. I could have been profit on that trade. Just same way I was looking at this USD chef just for it to move up into the supply, then I can be able to look for trade to come down. But I miss it. I forgot to set a alert. Yeah, this is one of those days. It's one of those things. Let's look at the Euro yen. I mean, sorry, USD yen. Yen is also on the daily is also. Cause see, is already into the demand. So there's nothing spectacular on the demand here. And the way everything is so structured. So you just have to see if you can pull more down a little bit more. For me, everything I have to look for, one I have to be able to shut the straight. Even bait in here in the supply here. This is just for me a profit taking demand that is creating. I can take this straight because the zone is too big, the supply zone is too big, and if my stop loss is gonna be here, where what am I targeting? This low or back here? No, I can't take this trade, but I just have to look. If you can push up more a little bit, yeah, and it gave me let's say 1 to 2, then maybe I could take the trade. Let's say I'm entering the trade here, and my stop loss is here. I might, yeah, stop loss will be somewhere here, 94. Yeah, see, then I'll be looking for this down. But what is the potential that it's gonna reach this down? What is, yeah, because it's creating also demand here, the push up, and the demand has already been tested on this side. Yeah, I'll pass for now on this trade. I'll pass. What the- Let's see what I have in the next trade. Yeah, the setup that we have on the New Zealand did not play out. So it's one of those things. See, it's not by rushing the trade. It's just by you looking at it and planning it ahead of it. The daily. I say the daily is an uptrend. I was expecting the pullback, and from the pullback, there's already a buying power coming in. So I was expecting it to come up a little bit and retest and just to tap the liquidity there and pull back a little bit. That was expecting on the 1 hour, which did not play out yesterday. You see, look at where the trade was. They were wait. I think it was somewhere here yesterday. Then I was expecting, okay, there's a liquidity up here, or people that try to sell here, and even right here. So I was expecting it to push more up into the liquidity. That's why I said, see, I already put the sell limit on it. So I was expecting it there. But what happened? Yeah, it didn't work out. From there, it shoots back down, and it went back. Yeah. So I have to cancel it. So I have to cancel it. Yeah. And the demand here has been, yeah, I missed this demand also. So nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. Yeah, sometimes it's painful. Yeah. Sometimes it's really, really painful. But yeah, what can you do? It's just for you to just, like I said every time, plan your trade and trade your plan. So there's nothing I can do to that. Just have to accept it. The less mistake I make, the better money I have in my account. Same thing, there's an uptrend, and we're looking for a little bit of pullback to continue the uptrend, whether to go back to the supply up there on the daily, as we can see from this chart I'm looking at. If we give it a V shape and let's close here on the demand, yeah, there's a probability of going back up. Looking at it also on the daily, where is the demand? Demand is on the base, so there's a probability of going back up. On the 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour, the straight has gone. Even though it gave this engulfing candle and close here, I'm not gonna take the trade. Because looking at if I have to enter here, where's gonna be my stop? My stop is gonna be here. Then how much am I gonna be risking for the trade then? Let's just remain it close here. Then I enter the next bar market. And my stop will be here. And where's my risk to reward? See, I'll be targeting here. That is 2 to 1. That is 2 to 1. Yeah, that is also something. But I have to wait. I have to watch it and see. I have it on my radar. I have it on my radar. I have to watch on what I'm looking at. Yeah. Let's look at gold. If we can find opportunity and go to trade, then we'll take the trade. I think there might be. I think there might be opportunity on gold. Let's see the daily. Let's say by 1836. If you can get 1836.77, would be nice. Pull back a little bit down here. 1836.77 on the daily. Let's look hourly. Yeah, yeah, already put a little bit of his demand on hourly. Yeah, if this close, let's wait. Gold is really volatile. The range is small. That is creating. The take profit range is really really small. Let me check it on 30 minutes if I can get any entry on it. It would be nice. See on 30 minutes if you can come back in here again. 1851 on 30 minutes. Yeah, that would be nice. If you can come to 1851 on 30 minutes, it would be nice. $18.51, and I can try to take it back on 18.51. I minimize here. I minimize everything there. That's what I think. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. I'm good. Crude oil. Let's see what crude oil have for us. I think I have to look my other account for this crude oil. If I will get opportunity to trade it again. Yeah, he has been playing some yo-yo. He's been playing some yo-yo since last week. You can see the crude oil is just on the uptrend, but it's having a resistance on the supply. Looking at it on 1 hour. Yeah, to me, all these are just profit taking. Believe me, this is to me. I believe this is the strong one because every time he's creating this, he's taking a profit. He's gonna take a profit, a little bit of sell, profit, a little bit of sell, profit, a little bit of sell, and now he's gonna have profit. He's going on another profit here, but this is where me I'll be looking if I have to short the trade. I have to try to take by 55.98 to see if I can shut it down because from here this is where he starts. And coming in here, it create look at the base, it create the same thing here, it pull back down a little bit before you break it. Then that's how you will know it's like what? It's a profit taking. It's taking the profits that he has all the liquidity that was here and all the sales they tried to sell and the real trade trader that comes in along to sell with them now they're buying back and if you're like oh I'm selling and now he's pulling back now what happened I need to close the trade and this is what is happening so I believe there's still liquidity up here which he has to take so I know it's not gonna go straight up maybe this will close by this 55.73 if it closes 55.73 then it's gonna range a little bit or push that back down a little bit and it go back up you know so that's what I'm looking at that you might just close and try to do this then do this and look for this one here oh sorry and look for the here take what is here after then what do you do and try to pull, pull back down but if there's still more liquid I don't think there's more liquidity here because if there was liquidity here that was still waiting for them or if they have cells still waiting here they could have come back long time to take the sell so there's no more order here but if they have order that is still waiting here that they need to fill so that's what I'm seeing on this crude oil. Let's look at GBP JPY, the trade we took yesterday. I don't know, maybe today we're just gonna sit on our hands. Maybe we're gonna sit on our hands. Wow. I can say maybe we're gonna have another opportunity on this GBP JPY. Another opportunity. Think is arriving. Another opportunity again. Remember we took the trade from here yesterday? All the way down. I believe the first day profit was somewhere here. And the second one was I believe so in here. So now the trade already reached in demand and it's like okay I need to go back up I have enough sell now let me push back up a little bit what is zone let me see the zone from Yeah, it's here. Wow, 37. Oh no, he has gone. He has really, really gone far on the 30 minutes. Gone far. Let's see. He's gonna close in the next 7 minutes. If he closes in the next 7 minutes, if I have to take the trade from there, then it's gonna be what? Let's say close here. I want it to be here. Let's say. Oh no, it's to be 40 pips. Because if I have to do that, no, that 40 pips is big. What would be my risk then? See, Steven shooting it more up. See, 2 to 1. This is where I'll be targeting. And my first take profit have to be somewhere here. And looking at this, there could be a resistance here. Because it was a low that they break. So this could be a resistance on this one. Because if it continued that way, on 4160 right here, the trend continuation trader can come in and want to take the trade back down. And if that will call, then I'm not gonna have much. No, let me pass. And if it comes more down, then I can decide to take it. So I'm not gonna like to reach 40 pips or 37 pips for yeah, it's not even one to one risk to reward. So why would I have to? Why should I do that? Yeah, yeah, that is it. No, I'm not gonna do. I'll keep my eyes on it. That's all I'll say. I'll just keep my eyes on it and see what will happen. Okay, Guardian, Guardian, Guardian has started his move. Guardian has started his move. Okay, I'm looking at something. This yeah, it's only the 30 minutes that meets up for my criteria, my rules, and it has left, so I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything. I'm looking at this Guardian on 30 minutes, looking at it for people that trade most of all the patterns, and so yeah, they call it. Yeah, I trade garlic pattern. Okay, I know how to trade those one also. But looking at head and shoulder right here, people will think, oh, this guy he needs to drop his head and shoulder. Big head and shoulder. and it's a small head and shoulder, but still it's not dropping. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny, really, really funny. Well, that is what I have for in my radio today. That's what I'm looking at. Nothing much on all the PS. So if anything happened, I will keep you guys posted. Guys in the Telegram, I will keep you guys posted if I found any trade. But today, I'm not sure because today's my daughter's birthday, so I'll be busy the moment they're back from school, so I might not be able to look at the chats. So I need to give my daughter a day just to spend more time with her and everything. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow same time, 9 o'clock as usual. Guys, keep eyes on the chat and remember, plan your trade and trade your plan. It's very important. You need to plan your trade ahead before it happens. By you doing that, you're helping yourself